I'm Liam O'Brien. I'm the Executive Director of the Wivenhoe Library of Things. You can borrow things without having to buy them new, so you can just borrow it from us for a small price. It's just such a fantastic idea. Not only is it green, but it's also just a really fantastic way for people to have access to things that they wouldn't normally have. And that's something which I wanted to share with my community. Instead of us buying things and then throwing them away because we've bought them cheaply and they don't really work properly, why not have good quality items that people can borrow for a very small price, and then once they're done with it, give it back to us for the next person to then take out. So the support from Love Essex means a lot to us. The fact that we were able to get this grant is really kind, and it just allows us to buy more things to lend out to people. My hope is that this is an idea which is taken up by like-minded individuals, and it becomes a real national, if not international, movement.